One major contributor to the overall feel and mood to a song is its chord progression, or the pattern of chords it uses throughout the piece. Today we're talking about happy chord progressions. Okay, our first chord pattern is this. It's A minor, so you just start on A, all three white keys. F major, C major, and then G major. A minor, even though it starts with a minor chord, it has a very uplifting feel to it. One more time, play it along with me. A minor, F major, C major, G major, just like that. So that's one nice sounding chord progression you can use. You can even make up like a little improv to it. Just like that. Okay, pattern number 2 is G major, B flat major, and then C major. This is the chord progression they use in the song Freebird. So once again, G major, B flat major, and C major. One more time, G, B flat, and C. So this is another easy one to play and use it in your music composition if you need it. All right, let's take a look at pattern number 3. Okay, pattern number 3 is commonly used in reggae music. A lot of Bob Marley music uses this chord progression. And this chord progression is going to be B minor, E7, G major, and then F sharp minor. Or that's diminished, sorry. So one more time, let me play it up a little bit higher because it's a little muddy down there. B minor, E major, E7 actually, G major, and then F sharp minor. So B, E7, G major, and then F sharp. It's actually an F sharp minor 7th here. Oops. Keep playing that as a diminished chord. Okay, pattern number 4 is the most common chord progression in music. Do you know what that is? Think about it. It is the 1-4-5 progression, and if you're in the key of C, very simply, it's going to be a C major. It's going to be F major, G major, and then back to C major. Now, this one's pretty obvious as to why it's an upbeat chord progression, is because all of the chords are major. I tried to include this one last because it's the most obvious one, but I included some interesting ones in there as well. Let's play some chords that James Patterson has recommended here. So D minor 9th, right? So that would be, oh, I love that chord. Beautiful chord. So let's see, to a G7. Oh, I like that. So you're into jazz, I see. C minor 9. And then B flat. And B flat, B flat major 9, eh? Okay, I totally messed up the voice leading on this. Let me see. So D, I'm going to play it down here. Actually, it's going to be a little bit easier to follow. Oh, I see what kind of I forget what this is called. B flat major 9th. But it's something where the top note comes down a step each time, and it has a really, really cool effect. That's a really good jazz progression, basically. So I love that. You can learn a lot more about chord progressions by checking out this playlist right here, where I teach you all about playing and mastering your chord progressions. Also subscribe, because we have new lessons coming out all the time, and smash that bell so YouTube actually lets you know when they come out. So thanks everybody for coming by, and I'll see you in the next lesson.